guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so we're going to read chapter 19. Let's read. Sharing a room doesn't mean anything. So bagay, mag-asawa naman sila kaya it doesn't mean anything talaga. Have you made up your mind? Are you staying? Oh, guess we have to share a room. Nagpa-cute agad ang little bride. Ang little wife. Fine, we'll stay here. Dear me, we stay here tonight. Alangan, matidisgrasya kayo kung alis kayo. It's a little colder in here, so the coals are on the house. Then I shall leave you be. Thank you. Diba, yun lang gagamitin nila para uminit na. Gano'n ba kakapal ang mga gamit dati na? Ganyan lang karami, mainit na yung lugar. Sino pag ilapit nila banda sa kanila, no? Oh, hesitate. There's only one bed. Come here, husband. Nagkakahiyaan pa kasi before, diba? Ayaw na ayaw sa kanya ni Chow. Ayaw niya kay Yulang. Tapos suddenly, ganyan na. Siyempre, iba na kasi yan You monster! Scram! May panaginip na naman siya. So, ito yung biological mother niya. Get out of my sight! Go! Get your daughter out of my house! Your daughter? So, hindi mo siya anak? Daddy is now... We have a baby boy now. We don't have any extra rooms, so you'll have to stay at your grandma's. I'm freezing. Nag-sleep talk siya. Tuck in. Diba? Share na lang sana sila sa blanket. But suddenly it's magic. Yulang, so warm. Diba? Hug pa rin. Pwede naman pala yan. Pwede naman pala share. Sa bahay, share na lang din kayo. And next day. Uwi na sila. It snowed suddenly yesterday. My master fell and almost died. Yeah. It snowed so heavily. I heard a carriage in the nearby village flung into the ditch, and its driver was seriously wounded. Carriage? Yeah, kayo sana yun. Kung hindi ka lang pinilit na wag umalis. It's the third time. If she hadn't suggested staying, we might also have been wounded. Good job, right? Ano na naman? Ano na naman issue? Your aunts claim that you fought the theft and that bag of money dropped from the theft. Is it true? Oh, no wonder I couldn't find my aunts when I went back here. I dare. Siyempre, kunwari na lang, di ba? So why did you fight the theft? He bumped into me, he bullied me, and he said mean words to me. That's why he hunted him down with the stick. Siyempre, palusot na lang. Sabihin niya na naginip siya ng ganon. Kayo naman. O di, nakalusot din si Jiao. That person may be the theft. Do you remember what he looks like? The suspect said she was a fool, so I'm not gonna pursue this. I'll just ask for some more solid evidence. He looks like... Gesture. Dinadraw siguro ni Yulang. This? Almost. Pero hindi talaga totally. Or this. Yeah, this is him. What? Is he professional criminal profiler? Malapit din naman yun kanina. Pero mas malapit to. Thank you for your testimony. I'll take this profile. Bye. So long. Hold on. Closing the door. Thus, Miss Gu lives here. Who are you and why do you ask about my wife? Ginamit niya yung wife na word. Wife nang tingin talaga niya kay Jiao. Here's my master, Mr. Chin. Pogi. Mr. Chen? What brought you here? Sumilip agad sa likod. Ano nangiisipin ngayon ni Liu Lang? I remember Gu Zhao used to pester him. Why did he come now? Mr. Chen, are you that close to him? Nag-iisip siya. Uy, zealous yarn. You are the crazy woman who pestered me every day. Don't tell me you are Miss Gu. Palalam. Oh, so you don't know who I am? Wala siya, pero parang saraulo ka man kasi before. Gu Zhao was wasting her time. The man didn't even bother to know who she was. Bah, the dark aura sa likod ni Liu Lang. Zealous yarn. Hey! Maganda din naman kasi si Chao. Diba? My gut tells me he's angry. He's really angry. Ikaw kasi. I'm here to ask if you have picked up the letter. She looks different now, not dumb anymore. Oh? You mean this? I knew you had it. Thank you. Ay, kaning masyado. That's all? Appreciation can be expressed in other ways, you know. For example, you can pay me. Bayaran mo na kasi wala silang ulam. Wala silang bagong damit. Where's your good quality? Wala na siyang good quality. Hindi na ikaw yung apple of her eye na kasi hindi na siya ang dating Gu Zhao. I made one step closer to the mountain purchase. Oh, bibili siya ng mountain. Those people left. Wala na, hindi na siya pinapansin. Pasulat-sulat na lang. Shararing. Are you jealous? Jealous siya! Ay. I'm sure I was blind. I have you the most handsome one. Why did I pester him? Oo nga. Sino ba kasing dating Gu Zhao at yun yung gustong-gusto niya at hindi to? Kasi nga, di ba, pilay siya. Matalino naman. Pero, ang Gu Zhao kasi before is, of course, she was just looking at the handsome face. Pangit sa tingin niya si Liu Lang kasi nga, di nakakalakad, di ba? Also, I didn't know it was his when I picked the letter up. Just now, he wanted it back, so I asked for some remuneration. Remuneration? Guess she's really over Quinn. Oh, Chin. Come on, don't be mad at me. I swear, I won't even cast a glance at him in the future. Char. Oh, please, cast all your glance at him. I don't care. But he's not as good looking as you. Kung wari pa. Kung wari pa si Kuya mo, guy, na hindi siya na-affected. Anyway, this is the end of chapter 19. See you in the next chapter, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone.